Hey Royals, today I'm excited to announce that I am taking part in a collaboration with King of Christmas. And as part of the collaboration, they sent me out this beautiful 7-foot Prince block tree. You guys, here are the dimensions of the entire tree, the weight, the height, and overall dimension. So without any further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay guys, aside from the tree being extremely beautiful on the catalog, upon delivery it is packaged very well. You don't have to worry about anything being damaged when your tree arrives. It is so lightweight that I don't even need hubby to help me set it up. So upon opening, you will find the essential items needed to do your complete design with the tree. You have your tree stand. It comes with a storage bag for it later. It also comes with some handy dandy gloves as well as an instruction and care guide inside. I'm going to set everything aside and begin to set up this beautiful tree. As you can see, it's easy to assemble. Just simply stand out the legs. It has an adjustable base so that once you get your tree in place, you can tighten it to make sure that it is sturdy. And here I am checking to make sure I have all of the pieces placed together. It comes labeled A, B, and C, which makes it easy. Just whip out those handy dandy gloves and get to work. And as a holiday stylist, you guys, this is a wonderful tool to have in these gloves. What I like to do, as opposed to setting up the entire tree, I set up each section by section and I fluff the section as I go so that it makes it easier for me to fluff out every branch, because it is important, whether you're styling for Christmas, fall, or whatever season, to fluff out every single branch in your tree. And as you can see with the flock tree, there's very little fallout, you guys. I am so pleased with the quality of this tree. Here I am just fluffing out each branch. I literally take row by row, section by section, to ensure you get the maximum volume out of your tree, because a full tree doesn't require many adornments to make it look beautiful. It is beautiful on its own. So let's continue. I know a lot of people don't like this part, but it is the most important part as it relates to styling your tree. Take the time and fluff out each branch as you see me do here. And when I show you the end results, you'll understand why. Loving, loving, loving it. And as you can see, very little fallout from the flocking. And what you end up with, you guys, is a beautiful full tree. The stems on this tree is amazing. The tips are full and lush. There are no holes and gaps. Although it is an unlit tree, I chose to, I could add lighting to this, but because I'm styling up for fall, I didn't see a necessity for the lighting. But this is beautiful before anything is added to the tree. An investment in your King of Christmas tree is an investment worth making. This tree will be beautiful for many, many years to come. Now, you guys, I want to take you up close and personal so that you can see the fullness and volume of this tree. Again, these things are important when purchasing a tree, especially if you're looking to upgrade and invest in quality trees. If you are a minimal stylist, this would be perfect in that you simply add a few ornaments and adornments and you are ready to go. The quality of the tree makes styling a breeze. And so without any further ado, let me share with you the end result. Here I am putting some last minute finishing touches on the tree, you guys, and voila, OMG. My plum harvest came together beautifully. My color choice for the season, as you can tell, is the beautiful shades of purple, plums, mulberry, pomegranate, anything in the purple family. I wanted to just bring all those colors together to create a very lush, warm, and romantic feel to the fall season. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I have adorned it with beautiful floral picks of all textures, sizes, and dimensions, as well as pumpkins, of course, and a few acorns are thrown in the mix. Guys, starting from the top, the maple leaves are from Michael's. I got them at 40% off. All of the gold pumpkins are from Walmart, 97 cents. The acorns were a 9-count bag I purchased a couple of years ago for about $5.99 a bag. The plum pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, 40% off. The beautiful bling chocolatey mulberry pumpkins are from Dollar Tree, as well as the mocha and ivory ones. The purple frosted stems are from Hobby Lobby, also 40% off. They're absolutely beautiful, and they add just a wonderful level of texture and dimension to this design. You guys, this tree was done on a budget. I believe in being frugally fabulous, and I achieved that in this styling. These beautiful plum or pomegranate florals are from the 70% off spring clearance from Michael's. Again, think out of the box, and everything doesn't have to be strictly fall decor to fit into a fall theme. You can use whatever color scheme or design that you choose. Just keep your look cohesive and tell the story. These plum berries, you guys, are absolutely gorgeous, and they are also from Michael's at 40% off. Everything just came together so beautifully. I layered on textures and dimensions, and I used the zigzag pattern, numbers, and it just gave a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing overall look and feel. And I couldn't be more pleased with this design. And you can do it too. Just strategize, shop smart, and execute your beautiful design. Now, Royals, if you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It helps out the channel tremendously. Like, comment, and share. I want to know what you think of this plum harvest design. If you're loving this tree, order from King of Christmas using the discount code TMB Designs 2 to receive an additional discount for your order. You'll thank me later. I want to take the time and thank King of Christmas for sending me this beautiful tree, and I cannot wait to style it up for the next season. If you think this is fabulous, just wait till you see what I come up with for Christmas. I am definitely going to bring that royalty touch to my Christmas theme. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to Royalty Designs. It is a lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. And I want to personally invite you to hit that subscribe button, click it twice so that you're always notified when I upload new content. Join our family and go along on the journey of life with us. Now to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. Also, guys, if you haven't connected with me on my other social media platforms, please do so. IG at Royalty Designs with Trevina, Facebook at Royalty Designs. This, you guys, is just the beginning of the beautiful, lavish plum harvest design. So until the next video, have a blessed and beautiful day. Smooches.